Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT 4.0 on the app. In last video I did it on the website. So this is how you do it. You'll see that it says ChatGPT 4.0 mini, but that's okay. First you can log in or sign up, and I'll skip this part. Okay, and we're back, and it says that if you want to get plus, but you don't need to. And I'm gonna show you that the app can listen to you. So if you click this, and
hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together. Hey there.
Hi there. I just want to share how. Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first,
I choose number. Okay, everyone. So this is how you do it. Hello. Hello. And anyways, it might have any problems, so yeah. You can exit. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, I want to ask if, are you made by OpenAI?
Yes, I was created by OpenAI. I'm here to help with any questions or conversations you want to have. What's on your mind?
So I was trying to look for the best AI robot, but I cannot find any.
Finding the best AI robot depends on what you're looking for. Are you interested in physical robots that can perform tasks, or more an AI like me, which interacts through conversation? What kind of tasks or features are you hoping to find in an AI robot?
One that can move and talk to you, and it enables Alexa. So this is how it really
It sounds like you're looking for a smart robot that can physically interact with its environment, talk, and has Alexa integration. One popular option is Astro by Amazon.
Thank you. Thank you. I guess I didn't listen to thank yous. We're gonna end it from there. And it can also like show you a bit of the text, what it was doing. And it found a good one. And this is how you use it. It's the same thing mostly. You can also upload any files like the last time. You can upload any image, anything. Okay, everyone, this is the end of my video. Bye, guys. I see you in the next video.